The Israelites were destined to become a mighty maritime seafaring people, as the Phoenicians they dominated the Mediterranean until supplanted by their colonies, the Greeks, Carthaginians and then Romans. Abraham was promised that his seed shall possess the gates of his enemies. This includes the gates to entire nations, i.e. their ports and seaports. Only the Europeans have dominated all the seas and oceans of the world at one time. The Bible shows us that the Israelites were seafarers. In the Song of Deborah, Deborah asked a rhetorical question, why did Dan remain in ships? And Asher continued on the seashore and abode in his breaches, i.e. ports. This clearly shows that these tribes were seafarers. Dan and Benjamin's blessing signified that they would be engaging in piracy, and Naphtali's blessing to possess thou the west and the south. This can only be the Carthaginians, and in more recent times the Vikings were raiding virtually all of Europe in ships, and later on the Portuguese, Spanish, French, the Dutch and British had turns dominating the seas. Since World War II, the American Empire has been dominant on the seas. We can see that the Europeans have fulfilled the prophecies.